Hi, my name is Raj. This is my marketplace number 2, and the tool I've chosen is Otter AI. I'm going to talk about it today. So what is Otter AI? It's an app which helps people in meetings. It records everything the speaker says, and people can refer to these notes anytime after. Otter AI, or Otter Voice, is useful for meetings, interviews, class lectures, and other important voice conversations. What is the main purpose of this tool? This tool allows people to spend more time listening to meetings rather than writing notes, especially for people who are slow writers. It also allows deaf people to attend meetings. They can read the notes and understand. The purpose of Otter AI is to record whatever is said in meetings. Notes can be shared, filed in folders, and reviewed. How to use an Otter Voice? I'm going to show you how. So here is my home page. So you see like the home page, the team settings, refer and earn, help center, contact support. We have the home page. So we have transcribed Zoom live meetings, we have the calendar, and I have the basic free package. So here are all the conversations that I've done. You see my conversation, all the conversations I've done. You can also share with people. We have different apps like Zoom, Dropbox, Google, Microsoft. And you can also create groups. And here we have like folders, like here's some folders that I've done so far. So now it's time to show you guys a tutorial. Hi, my name is Raj, and this is my marketplace number 2 presentation that I'm going to present to Jennifer, and I hope she likes it. So now you have to press stop so it doesn't keep writing what you're saying. So then it brings you back to this home page. So then you go back on my conversation, and there it is. One thing you can do, you can move it to the folder, so Marketplace Notes, you put it there, and then it will be moved to the Marketplace folder. And if you click on it, you see it right there. And you can play it. Hear it. So, and then you log out when you're done. What is the cost of the Otter AI? So if you go on product, you go on pricing. Here you go. So the basic is free. So you get, and the pro is $8.33, $8.33, and it's per month. And here you go. You see, you get the basic features, you get the pro features, right? And you get the business features as well. And the business is $20 per month. So if you go down again, you see all the basic features you get, like caption on Zoom, team vocabulary, live caption, time code, everything. How long is Otter AI? With the free plan, you can record or import up to 3 hours in duration and transcribe up to 40 minutes per conversation. With the premium plan, you can record, import, and transcribe up to 4 hours per conversation. Otter AI has partnered with different companies to grow the business and can be used on Microsoft Teams, Zoom, WebEx, and Google Hangout, also other websites. One thing to make sure is to have the app and the meetings on the same device in order for the recording to work. Would I recommend this tool to students? Yes, I would recommend this tool, especially in class for people with hearing difficulties. They can just read the notes and follow the teacher. For all other students, they can concentrate on their meetings instead of taking notes, and miss the important part of the meetings. What are the pluses and minuses? So the plus. This device turns your voice conversations into smart notes, captures your thoughts and ideas while you're driving in the car, and transcribe your existing recording and podcasts. It offers live caption on Zoom, edit highlights, comments, add image, can also search keywords, conversation by keywords. The minuses. Otter AI will not work without the internet access. Also, the basic free package does not have lots of features. It pushes people to pay a cost to get access to other cool features. Organizations who have the Otter AI. A lot of other companies have partnered with Otter AI such as Bridgewater, Columbia University, City of Cambridge, IBM, The Verge, Tulane University. What are the main features of this tool? One main feature of this tool is that it does not only transcribe meetings, but it records the voice as well. This recording can be played again for people who want to review meetings with voice. How can Otter AI be used in an educational setting? This app can be used in classrooms for students who have difficulty writing notes with hearing issues. It can be used during lecture, meetings, interviews, etc. My overall impression of this tool. The overall impression of this tool is very exceptional. It magically generates shareable smart notes that sync audio, text, and image. It has made life easier for a lot of people. What is the age group and who can use this app? Any age group can benefit from this app. It can be used by teachers to support their students, by parents, and by older students. Which platform can Otter AI be downloaded? This app can be downloaded on Google Play for Android device or Apple Store for iOS. Who is the publisher of this tool? Sam Liang is the publisher of the Otter AI. He's also a CEO and a serial interpreter. He has done a lot of meetings in his 25 years career. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you like it and will consider using Otter AI in the future.